I feel the pain a-comin', it's rolling up my spine. And I hate the sunshine, and I know why. I'm stuck hauling wood, and saws keep cutting on. But that pain keeps a-rollin' all down my backbone. When I was just a baby, my daddy told me, son, don't be a dumbass, don't ever haul no wood. But I loaded up a trailer just because I could. Now I hear the saw running and watch him pile the wood. I know there's tree folks in fancy pickup trucks. They're sitting drinking coffee and getting great big bucks. I know I get a little, I almost work for free. And those saws keep a-running, and that what tortures me. If they let me do this job, and that chainsaw was mine, I'd move over a little and cut in smaller kinds. Far from log hauling, that's where I want to stay. And I'd let the chainsaw whine blow my aches away.